Great, but what is it?
Based on empathy. Do you know what the word empathy means?
No, I'll have to have the beginner's course on that one. Empathy, is it something like sympathy?
Oh, it goes beyond sympathy. Sympathy is to understand what someone feels. Empathy is to project your imagination so that you actually feel what the other person is feeling. You put yourself in the other person's place. Do I make myself clear? Why did you do that?
Empathy. I put myself in your place and I felt that you wanted to be kissed.